Wagwan people, welcome back to the channel. We're working Wayne checking it. The 2014 Honda Accord, 2014. I'll show you guys how to take off this trim panel. This is the back door, the trim panel, and this handle. This one is pretty easy, guys. All right, let's get to work. Guys, see this piece right here? Use a flathead screwdriver and pry it out of it. That piece, take it out. Same thing over here. You're gonna use a flathead screwdriver and you're gonna put it right in the groove, just like that, and pry it up, just like that. Take this piece out. The reason why we take this piece out is the screw right there. Same thing for this one. There's two screws right there. Those are Phillips. Take those screws out. So you're gonna take your flathead screwdriver and you're gonna stuck it in the groove, right in the bottom. Just show that, stuck it in the groove, and pull the trim panel towards you, just like that. Then you're gonna hold it and pull it off, just like that. All right, then you're gonna go up with it. Right? Then you go ahead and take off the wires, cable. So you go ahead and take out the cable. That's how you do that. Now to take out this handle right here, see that piece right there? Take that plug out. Inside there is a number 10. Take it out. Use a flathead screwdriver, put it in the groove. You're gonna hold this one out, put it in the groove, pry it out. Comes right out. They're going, the handle, you're gonna pull the handle backwards towards you, just like that, backwards and out. See that? Bam, it's a wrap. Right? I'm gonna show you guys how to take out that glass, baby. Let's get it. All right, my people, I'm gonna show you guys the points on how to take out this glass and the fixed glass. Go ahead and plug in back the motor, the switch. Go ahead and plug in back the switch and turn on the ignition. Guys, see that hole right there? You're gonna drop it down to that hole right there. You're gonna drop the glass down. See, it's coming down. It's coming down. You want it right there. You want to see those two screws. Those are number 10. You're going to see that one. You're going to see that one. You're going to take those two screws out. But before you guys take those two screws out, you got to get this piece out of there first. Y'all see that screw right there? There's a 10. Get that screw from right there. All right. Take that screw out, and then this rubber right here. You're going to peel back this rubber. Y'all see that screw right there? That's a Phillips. Go ahead and take out that screw from there, and then you're gonna grab this. You're gonna get this rubber and take it out. Just use your flathead screwdriver. You're gonna put it in the groove and pry it out. Okay? You're gonna pry it out. You're gonna anyway, go ahead and get out this rubber, take it out, and then you're gonna take this metal out along with the glass. Take it out. And then go ahead and take those two screws out of there. Once you take out those two screws out of there, and you get that piece out first, go ahead and take out the glass, but you gotta get this piece out of here first. Those are the points. Now you guys stay tuned and watch the work. That's how you do that, guys. It's pretty easy, all right? Like a fat kid eating a cake. It's pretty easy. With that said, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Working way checking out.